Hi, math students. This video is to help you with your upcoming checkpoint 2.9. So you can write these problems down on your paper and follow along with me, or I also attached a picture of this page and you can print it out and fill it in. This one doesn't have a lot of words, so it might just be faster to just write them down on your own paper. Okay, you can pause the video at any time if you need more time to write, and then just push play when you're ready to go again. So least common multiple. Sometimes we call this LCM, least common multiple. This is the one I was telling you on the previous video. Sometimes gets confused with greatest common factor because we abbreviate them with 3 letters. But this is different. That's why we take notes so that you can look back and remember what each one is. Least common multiple. So least means smallest multiple the two numbers have in common. The smallest multiple that the two numbers have in common. And you're about to see a bunch of examples of these, but get that definition down there. So what is the least common multiple of, say, 5 and 12? So multiple means, let's make a list of all the multiples of 5. So 5, then 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, etc. And we can go farther if we need to. Let's see if we're going to need to or not. Now, how about the multiples of 12? So 12 times 2 is 24, 12 times 3 is 36, 12 times 4 is 48, 12 times 5 is 60, and so on and so on. So let's see if I got any matches yet. I don't have any matches yet. I need to keep going with 5. So I'm going to move over here. 45, so 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. And I can stop now because I see that I have 60 in both lists. So the smallest common multiple is 60. There probably are more common multiples if I just kept listing all the 5s and kept listing all the 12s. We're looking for the smallest one that they have in common. So the smallest one here was 60. Okay, let's do that again. 4 and 16. So I'm going to start listing all the multiples of 4. So 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3, I'm just going to keep going, 12, and then 16, and 20, and 24, and 28, 32. And let's see if we need to go farther or not. Multiples of 16. Hey, I actually don't need to go any farther because look, 16 and 16. I didn't have to list any factors of 6 or any multiples of 16 to get there. 16 is the least common multiple of 4 and 16. How about 3 and 16? Okay, so I'm going to start listing some multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33. I'm going to keep going here because I have a feeling 16 is kind of big. 36, 39, 42, 45. Okay, I'm going to stop for a second. 16. So 16, 32. What's 16 times 3? I don't actually know that one. 48. Okay, so it looks like I haven't gone far enough on my 3 list yet. But the very next one, if I add 3 again, I get 48. So there's my least common multiple, 48. So if all of that made sense to you and this least common multiple thing is easy, you're ready to go. Go take your checkpoint right now. If you still need more help, stop, take a picture of whatever you need help on, send me a text, email, phone call, whatever you need. I'm happy to help you before you take your checkpoint.